We are going to get Ryanna back. We haven't seen Pontifex.
So stealth is of the utmost importance.
Careful, you saw somebody's hair in there.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Blood, welcome.
You'll just kindly step out of the way.
No, I hope I have made myself terribly clear how intense I am without getting what I want. So, I'm willing to trade you your friend for the candle.
We will take our friend right now.
If I so much as twitch, you will never see your friend again. So I'll ask you again, the candle for your friend.
If Pontifex gets the candle, he'll have it all full.
What else can we do? He's got Ryanna in there.
The choice is yours.
No, don't do it.
Done. Let her out. Open the file.
Hey, they're free!
We can't let Pontifex get these candles.
We need to go in there. Whoa. Hector, can you shadow travel?
I can.
Are you going to be in any shape to fight after you take us in?
Probably not. Ready? When I count to 3. 1, 3.
Ah!
Hector?
Let's go. I'm good.
Whoa. We're not good.
You need something to defend yourself.
This one here.
You liar. I know you can't pass blood. Time for you.
No. Wait, no. See you in Tartarus. Hector keeps hand sanitizer in this Pontifex. Oh, no. Oh, not good. As soon as I touched it. I've never seen this smiling before. Hey, take a look at this. The catwalk is up this way. Oh, no. It's too dark. Flashlight. I don't see anything. There's nothing but the catwalk. There it is. Okay. Heading down. Oh God. Okay.
Kill him.
They're everywhere. I think the sick.
Get out of here.
Hector! Come on, where do we go? Quickly!
Oh, gods.
Hector, come on your feet, buddy. Pontifex is right on the other side of that door. We gotta go. We're going to go destroy these candles. Guys, this is GK, Hector, and Sophia. Over and out.
I think it's time for a dance party, man.